Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm so excited to have you here again. This is WAEC 2019 and the question goes thus. If 23 base y equals 1111 base 2, find the value of y. Okay, so what do you think, or how do you think we can solve this question? Take a look. No clue. The only clue is if you already have a clue, and that clue is if it tallies with what you have right now. If you know it, let's see if it's the same. The clue is you need to convert whatever you have on the left hand side and or whatever you have on the right hand side to base 10. You know, base 10 is usually the common base that we work with almost all the time. Okay, and the question already signifies that whatever is on the left is also equal to whatever is on the right. So let's quickly convert this to base 10. I know on the right and on the left hand side we have the base as y, so we're still going to use the base y as it is. Alright, so which means if you still remember, the conversion is we multiply each of the digits by the base number, then we add the multiplications together. Okay, just like this. Then you remember the powers, which is going to start from 0, 1. It will be counting to the left, to be increasing to the left. Alright, so let's go to the right hand side. So 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Of course, you have to multiply each of the digits by the base number, and 2 written in words is just 2 written in figures here. Okay, mind you, on the left hand side we're using y because y is unknown. That value is unknown. Alright, then let's fix the powers. So remember, starting from 0, it will continue to increase to the left just as it is here. Alright, so looking at the left hand side, we have y raised to power 0. What is that? You should remember that we equate to 1. Any number equal to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so 3 times 1 will give us 3. Alright, then any power raised to 1 will be equal to that number. Okay, so we have y, so 2 times y will give us 2y. Okay, let's come to the right hand side. 2 raised to power 0, remember we said is what? 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 raised to power 1 is equal to that part, to that number, which is 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. Alright, I hope you're getting it as we're doing it gradually. Good. So 2 now raised to power 2 is what? Did I hear you say 4? Good. 4 times 1 is what? 4. Cool. Alright, then 2 raised to power, this is 3. Remember, it increases to the left. 2 raised to power 3 is what? Good. I hear you say 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Alright, so let's, on the left hand side we still have 2y plus 3 equals, then on the right hand side let's quickly add this up. So this will give us what? 15. Good. So we have 15 on the left hand side. So now we can solve. Alright, so if we move 3 to both to the right hand side, we have 2y equals 15 minus 3, and that will give us 12. Alright, so now we can divide both sides of the equation by 2 in order to get the value of y. So 2 in 12 will give us what? 6. So 6 is the value of y. So the answer option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.